New York Life Insurance Reviews 2022. New York Life bills itself as one of the nation's oldest mutual life insurance companies. As a mutual insurer, New York Life is owned by its policyholders. Customers who buy certain products, such as whole life insurance, are entitled to vote in board elections and receive annual dividends. Why you can trust NetWallet? Our writers and editors follow strict editorial guidelines to ensure the content on our channel is accurate and fair. New York Life Insurance Policies. New York Life offers both term and permanent life insurance. In three, term life insurance policies can be converted to permanent life insurance within a specific period. Number one is New York Life's yearly convertible term policy can be renewed each year. Premiums start low and increase each year. The price changes if the policy is converted to permanent coverage. Number two is New York Life's level premium term policy can be purchased in 10 to 20 years term. Premiums stay the same throughout the entire term. When the level premium period ends, your premium increases. The price also changes if the policy is converted. Number 3 is New York Life's million plus level term 10 policy, which offers $1 million or more in coverage at a flat rate for the first 10 years. After that, premiums go up. You can customize term coverage from New York Life by adding options like the spouse paid up rider. If you die, it allows your spouse to purchase their own coverage using the payout from your policy without taking a medical exam. Other riders include the disability waiver of premium, which covers premiums if you become disabled, and a living benefits add on, which allows you to withdraw cash from the death benefits if you are diagnosed with a terminal illness. In addition, New York Life's policy purchase riders allows you to buy more coverage in the future without taking a medical exam. But availability varies depending on what state you live in. Alongside its term policies, New York Life offers three types of permanent life insurance. Whole life insurance. New York Life has multiple whole life policies, including one that lets you customize the payment schedule. This provides the flexibility to pay off the policy early, eliminating premiums in later years. Number two is universal life insurance. You can choose between three types of universal policies, including a basic coverage option where you can adjust your premiums and benefit amount. Most of the company's customer guarantee universal life policies automatically come with a money back option rider, which returns some of your premiums if you no longer need coverage. Variable universal life. You can decide how to invest the cash value of these policies, including in the stock market, which means they can come with increased risk as the market fluctuates. You can have the option to choose your own investments or use existing models created by experts. Next topic is New York Life customer complaints and satisfaction. Over the last 3 years, New York Life drew fewer complaints to state regulators than expected for a company of its size. According to our analysis of data from the National Association of Insurance Companies, Additionally, New York Life ranked number 9 out of 21 countries in JD Power's 21 Life study for overall customer satisfaction. You must know more about New York Life Insurance. Payholders can access coverage details via the website's online portal. Once logged in, you can update beneficiaries, make payments, see policy details, and download forms. New York Life offers additional financial products and services including annuities, long term care insurance, mutual funds, estate planning, and disability insurance. Life insurance buying guide. Before you start comparing companies, choose first of all the type of life insurance you want to buy, such as you want to buy term or whole life. Decide which life insurance riders, if any, you want the policies to include. Check that the insurers you are considering offer the coverage you are looking for. When companies rates, be sure the quotes are for the same amount of coverage over the same period of time. Next is price may not be the bigger driver behind your decision to buy. Look at the number of consumer complaints each company receives, as high numbers can be a red flag about the quality of service. Life insurance ratings methodology. Life insurance ratings are based on consumer experience, complaint index scores from the National Association of Insurance Commissioners for individual life insurances, and weighted average of financial strength ratings, which indicate a company's ability to pay future claims. Within the consumer experience category, we consider ease of communication and website transparency, which looks at the depth of policy details available online. To calculate insurers' ratings, we adjusted the score to a curved 5-point scale. These ratings are a guide, but we encourage you to shop around and compare several insurance quotes to find the best rate for you. We do not receive compensations for any reviews. Insurer complaints methodology. I examined complaints received by state insurance regulations and reported to the National Association of Insurance Commissioners in 2018 to 2020. To assess how insurers compare to one another, the NAIC calculates a complaint index each year for each subsidiary, measuring its share of total complaints relative to its size or share of total premiums in the industry. To evaluate a company's complaint history, NerdWallet calculated a similar index for each insurer. Weighted by small market shares of each subsidiary over the 3 years period, ratios are determined separately for auto, home, including renters and condo, and life insurance. Thank you.